Channel. This is Pen Code, where we'll be writing code using the Java programming language. Yeah, today what we'll be looking at, we'll still be looking at the random numbers. But what we'll be doing today, it will be you'll guess a number, and then we'll match your guess with the random number that the computer is going to put out. Now, if the number that you guess matches the random number from the computer, it means that you've won. And if not, it means that you've lost. So it will just be like a game or like a lotto, just something. I just want you to have an idea where the random number can be used. And if you remember in my last video, I told you that this idea can be used in lotto, where you just guess number and you roll a dice, and if it matches, you've won. So without wasting much time, I'll just quickly go into it. And first of all, we need to write a comment to tell everyone what we are doing. Then at this point, what we'll need to do, we'll need to print out something asking the user to guess a number. So at this point, when we run the program, it will ask the user to just choose a number between 0 to 100. So we need to take the input from the user. So now that we've done that, because if we run this now, it will ask for a number. Say choose a number between 1 and 0. So we can say 20. So we can just put any of the number there. So we've done that. So let's do for int. Okay, let's come now and declare for the random class. Random, can say random, or just say rand is equals to the new random, register, and then we can say int our random number, can say is equals to 100, and then int, let's say w will now be our random number dot w rand dot next int, and our random number comes in there. So at this point, we will use a conditional statement, which is if. Now don't worry, don't get bothered at what is if. We'll go into full details about conditional statement in Java programming in our next video. Now we will employ that if statement in here just to check if this is this, do this, if this is this, do this. It's just like in a simple English language. If it is 2 o'clock, rain. If it's below 2 or before 2, don't do anything. So what we're going to do at this point, we'll now say like if the number that you choose, which is this, I guess, if it's the same as the number that is going to be output on the screen, if it's the same as the number that you're going to output on the screen, then what we'll say is that we'll just print something out and said, we'll just say you've won. Then else, if it's not, that is if what you've chosen is not the same as the random number that is going to output on the screen, that means we said you've lost. Now if we run this, it will ask us to choose between 0 and 100. So let's say we choose 40. We've lost because that doesn't correspond with the number that the computer output. If we do it again and then let's guess another number, like a Lotto, let's say we guess like 10, it's the same, we've lost. Now let me quickly show you something. Now let us check what is the number, that the random number that it outputs. So for us to get the random number that it outputs, it will just be that. So for us to know why we getting it right, so or getting the right our number not matching with the, let's say 2, we've lost because the number we're supposed to guess, it should have been 67. But let's try another one again. Let's try 40. We've lost because the real number output by the computer is 27. So we've lost. So if we try, let's say for the last time, let's say 39, we've lost because the number that should have been the winning number is 73. So we can add something here by saying the winning number is and I'll just take this and then put it there, and then if we run this and then let's say we put like 75, said you've lost, the winning number is 26. So because it doesn't match, let's try 44. You've lost is 77. Let's try 94. You've lost is 61. So because if you play the Lotto, they'll tell you if your number matches the one that comes out from the random number that the computer prints out, it shows that you've won. So this is just the concept that you use in doing something like that. So this is where I'm going to end the video for today. If you've enjoyed this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and please leave a comment. This will really help us to improve on our tutorial and on our videos. And until I come your way with another video which will be treating a topic of conditional statement like if, else, and what have you, please do take care and bye for now.